All right, you seen that title and that thumbnail. We about to get busy in this kitchen, man. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this delicious French onion chicken and rice. Oh my God, fire. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right guys, let's go over our ingredients for today's recipe. Back here we have our mushrooms, our boneless chicken breasts. I cut them up into bite-sized pieces. We have our onions, spinach, beef broth. Now if you don't have beef broth, you can also use chicken broth, but I find the beef broth gives it more depth of flavor. Mozzarella cheese, we got some tarragon and thyme here, chopped garlic, W sauce, heavy whipping cream, butter. We have our rice, I've already rinsed it and washed it, olive oil, seasoned salt, black pepper, and I have some white wine there. So that's all you need. Let's get into it. All right, to get started with this recipe, we're gonna heat up some olive oil over medium-high heat. All right, once that pan heats up, we're gonna add our chicken. Guys, you may want to cook these in batches just so you don't overcrowd your pan. And we want to make sure they're cooked all the way through. All right, so once you cooked your chicken, you can go ahead and remove it, put it in an empty dish, and we're going to set it aside while we finish our other chicken pieces. All right. All right, so we're going to pause our heat. We're finishing up this last batch of chicken. I'm gonna add it right here to our bowl. So now let's get an empty pan and start preparing our onions. All right, to get started, we're going to prepare our onions and get them caramelized. So we're gonna heat up 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil over this medium heat. Once that pan heats up, we're gonna add our onions. And we're gonna get these babies caramelized here for about 15 minutes. Let's hit this with a little salt, a little pepper, and we're gonna continue to get that moved around for the next 13 minutes. All right, so after about 15 minutes, we're gonna go in with our garlic, our seasoned salt and black pepper, our thyme, tarragon, I hope I'm saying that right, and we're gonna cook this for another minute. All right, after that minute, and you get that garlic fragrance, you wanna go in with your wine and your W sauce. And you wanna drop your heat to like a simmer, and you're gonna let this simmer while you scrape those bits from the bottom of the pan until the liquid is almost absorbed. All right, so after the liquid almost evaporates, we're going to pause our heat. We're gonna sit this aside. All right, we're gonna unpause our heat, add the remaining of our butter and olive oil, and we're gonna bring that up to temperature. We're gonna go in with our mushrooms, and we're gonna get these sauteed until they're golden brown. All right, so our mushrooms are done. We're going to pause our heat. We're gonna remove our mushrooms. We're gonna bring back over our onions. We're gonna unpause our heat. We're gonna add our mushroom mixture to our onions. We're gonna stir in our uncooked rice along with our spinach. And we're gonna cook this until that spinach wilts down. All right, so once your spinach is slightly wilted, as you can see it's wilting down, we're gonna go in with our beef broth, our heavy whipping cream, and we're gonna bring that to a slight simmer. And once that mixture comes to a light simmer, we're gonna add our chicken back into our pan like this. We're gonna get it mixed in well. All right, once you have that mixed in well, we're gonna turn our heat off. We're gonna move over to our cutting board where we have a greased baking dish, and we're gonna get this baby transferred, all right? All right, so now we have our greased baking dish here. We're gonna transfer our mixture. Let's see if we can do this and not get messy into our greased baking dish. Now we're gonna top our mixture with our mozzarella cheese. Now guys, you can use Swiss cheese too if that's what you like. Next, we're gonna cover this up with some aluminum foil. Make sure you cover it tight. And we're going to cook this or bake this in our preheated oven of 375 degrees for 30 minutes, all right? After that, we're gonna pull it out, take the aluminum foil off, and then put it back in, all right? Let's get it in the oven. All right, so after about 30 minutes, we're gonna take our foil off. Guys, take a look at that. Now we're gonna stick it back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes until it's bubbling and golden on top. All right, guys, so this is what we have after the last 15 minutes in the oven. It's looking good. We're gonna get this baby plated up and into quality control. And guys, there you have it. French onion, chicken, and rice. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a quick taste test. All right, guys, y'all already know it's quality control time, man. We're gonna bring this French onion, chicken, and rice to the front of the congregation, man. Look at that. Man, whew, I'm telling you, it looks good. It smells good. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Let's get a little bit of everything on that. We got some mushrooms, we got some chicken, we got some spinach and rice. Oh man, oh man. Man, this baby's so spinachy, chickeny. Oh man, ricey and mushroomy. Hey, this is a winner here. This is a winner. Oh man. Enough said about this. Add to your recipes to-do list from AWE, and until the end, y'all already know this is all wings everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.